Okay, we got these from Costco at $39.99. How much? $89.99 each? $89.99 each. And we're about to assemble these.
Watch out. Is that one of those?
Yeah. So this is one and this is one. Y acá está en la basura. Yeah. You gotta connect them, and I think he has the one to connect these. So you connect those two. All together. Use the wheels. Use this wheels. These are the ones I put here. Here, we're going to do this. You want them. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the final product. On one garage, there's 2 of the 6-tier Trinity metal shelving, and they're both different. This one we made different size, so the water bottles will fit. And this is for the 5-gallon jugs. This is for the toilet paper, paper towels, and sometimes we add some drinks here or whatever we can. We don't have any drinks right now. And then on the top you can store some other stuff. And that one we made, that one is different. That one we made all the same size as the red storage container that we were measuring. Because we need it wider. This is for storage, but the how many? The rest are in the back. I will show you right now. We put one here. We already had one, and then we use one for this side. If you can see in the video, this side was a mess, and we organized with this 6-tier shelving. And then I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is our garage, and this is what it looks like. So here are 3 of the 6-tier, which we used only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We only use 5, so we have like 4 racks left. And so yeah, this is how we're storing our stuff. And these are just old toys from the kids, and I mean, they're not really that old, but yeah, I guess you can also use whatever rack that you have left. We can remove this rack and then put these together, and then the rest of the racks that were left, you can put them in between. So you would probably face, I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying, but you can probably face the rack this way, and then remove that one, and then put the next rack here. So it locks here, and it leaves a space here to bring the other one here and lock it here, and it'll make another shelving here without the another shelving. You know, we get what I'm saying. It's hard for me to explain. We were gonna do that, but to make another rack here, but we had this one already, an extra one, and we don't have room for it. So, but you know what, we could not walk in here at all without the organizing that we did. It was so hard for us to come in, and we had to take our grills out. We had one of the grills in here too, but at least we can walk, and it's clean and nice. It was years. We've been here for the longest time, maybe 25 years. And it was super dirty, and I am so glad. We have some old bikes right there. We try to and we have a lot of stuff on sale. A lot of stuff we threw away. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. Give it a like and subscribe. We will post the links down below of the 6-tier racks. Bye-bye.